Your brain is like a muscle. Us. Audius. Think about your brain for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine it. Is it a fixed machine? Something you can't change? Or is it something flexible, adaptable, trainable? Here's the truth. Your brain is just like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. The more you challenge it, the faster it gets. The more you stimulate it, the sharper and more focused you become. Most people treat their bodies like a project. They hit the gym, they jog, lift weights, do yoga. They see progress physically. They get stronger, fitter, faster. But when it comes to the brain, most people say, I can't focus. My memory is terrible. I take too long to think. I get distracted easily. And they continue without realizing. The brain can be trained. Today, I want to show you 4 simple but incredibly powerful exercises. If you practice just a few minutes a day, these exercises will help you improve focus, boost memory, increase processing speed, strengthen mental clarity. And the best part? They're not boring. In fact, they're fun, they're challenging, and they're exercises you'll want to do. So let's dive in. Starting with the first exercise. Exercise 1. Schulte table. Speed and focus training. The first exercise is called the Schulte table speed test. It's used by students, chess players, athletes, and even pilots to sharpen mental processing and focus. Here's how it works. Imagine a grid of numbers from 1 to 25, but placed randomly. Your mission: find number 1 first, then number 2, and continue all the way to 25. Sounds easy? Let's make it a challenge. Try to complete it in under 30 seconds. Most beginners, on their first try, will take over a minute, and that's perfectly fine. The goal isn't to be perfect immediately. The goal is consistency and mental growth. Now, why does this work? Your brain has to scan quickly, identify patterns, and process numbers in order. This strengthens attention, concentration, and processing speed. Even practicing 5 minutes a day can dramatically improve visual scanning ability, decision-making speed, multitasking efficiency, problem-solving skills. Imagine this: you're studying for an exam, and you need to quickly memorize terms. Your improved scanning ability will allow you to absorb information faster. Or think about sports. A soccer player spotting teammates on the field. Faster brain processing directly impacts real-world performance. Now, here's a tip. You can easily find Schulte tables online, or even create one on paper. Time yourself, track progress, and notice improvements over days and weeks. This exercise is the first step in training your brain like a muscle. Exercise 2. Blindfold challenge. Memory and awareness training. The second exercise might seem unusual, even strange at first, but it's incredibly effective. The idea is simple. Perform simple tasks without looking. Here are 3 tasks to try. Write your name on a piece of paper, draw a circle, or type your name on your phone. Here's the challenge: you must do it without looking. Pause this video and try it now. I'll wait. Done? How did it go? If your first attempt was messy, crooked, or off in some way, good. This is exactly what should happen. Why? Because when you remove your sight, your brain can't rely on shortcuts. It's forced to build new neural pathways. This improves muscle memory, spatial awareness, memory recall. Doing this for just 2 minutes a day can help you remember where things are, improve your recall for exams, enhance hand-eye coordination. Here's an example. Imagine you're cooking in a kitchen without looking at the stove or ingredients. Your brain begins to memorize positions, actions, and timings. This kind of practice trains your brain in a practical, real-world way. Or consider learning a musical instrument blindfolded. Your fingers develop a sense of memory and precision that sight alone cannot achieve. In short, the blindfold challenge is like taking your brain to the gym for the first time, forcing it to grow. The science behind it: when we perform tasks without sight, the brain forms new connections. The brain strengthens neural pathways for memory. Awareness and focus increase naturally. This is called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to adapt and grow with challenge. It's like going to the gym for your muscles. The first time you lift a heavy weight, it's hard. Your muscles ache. But over time, they grow stronger. Your brain works the same way. It thrives on challenge. And exercises like these force growth and improvement. Non-dominant hand and Stroop effect. Exercise 3. Non-dominant hand training. Brain flexibility and coordination. Now let's move on to the third exercise, which is a real game changer for your brain. This one is all about using your non-dominant hand for everyday tasks. Here's what I mean. If you're right-handed, start doing things with your left hand. Brush your teeth, write notes, even try using your phone with it. If you're left-handed, do the opposite. At first, it's going to feel awkward, slow, annoying. It's almost like you're learning to walk again. But here's the magic. Using your non-dominant hand forces your brain to build new connections between the left and right hemispheres. It's like constructing new highways in your mind. Think about this. You normally use your dominant hand effortlessly because your brain has already mapped all the motor skills there. Switching hands challenges your brain to adapt, coordinate, and think differently. How to practice. Start small. Use your non-dominant hand to like or comment on a video. Eat snacks with your other hand. Open doors, or use your computer mouse with the other hand. The first attempts will feel clumsy. You'll notice your focus has to be higher. This is good. That difficulty is proof your brain is actively learning and strengthening. After practicing just 1 week consistently, you'll notice your coordination improves, thinking speed increases, problem solving becomes easier, your brain becomes more flexible and powerful. This is the same type of mental flexibility that musicians, athletes, and surgeons develop by forcing their brain to adapt to unconventional challenges. Real-life examples. Imagine this. You're a basketball player. Your dominant hand is fine, but suddenly, you need to make a shot with your other hand. Players who train both hands can adapt faster, react quicker, and execute better. Or think about typing emails, or using a phone with your non-dominant hand. It sounds trivial, but every time you do it, you're creating new neural pathways. Your brain becomes quicker at coordinating tasks. Your problem-solving skills improve, even outside of sports or work. This practice helps in daily life, whether it's cooking, writing, or multitasking. So remember, small daily challenges compound over time. Exercise 4. Stroop Effect. Laser focus training. The fourth and final exercise is the Stroop Effect challenge. This one is tricky, but it's extremely effective for focus and attention control. Here's how it works. You'll see words of colors written in different colors. Your task is not to read the word, but to say the color of the text. Example, the word red is written in blue. The correct answer is blue, not red. At first, this is confusing. Your brain wants to read automatically, but you have to override it and focus on the task. How it helps. This exercise strengthens your brain's executive control center. It teaches you to give direct orders to your focus, ignore distractions, switch quickly between tasks. Even just 3 minutes a day can make your focus laser sharp. Practical tips. Here's how to maximize the Stroop Effect exercise. Start slow. Don't rush to answer. Focus on accuracy first. Use an app, online test, or write your own color words. Increase speed gradually over days. Try multitasking later. Do Stroop tests while listening to background noise. Within a few weeks, you'll notice a difference. You'll read faster. But with better comprehension, you'll ignore distractions more easily. Your brain can switch tasks without losing focus. This skill is critical for students preparing for exams, gamers needing quick reactions, professionals juggling multiple projects. Examples in daily life. Imagine you're cooking a complicated recipe. Ingredients all around, multiple timers, and distractions. With improved Stroop Effect training, your focus remains intact. You complete tasks faster, more accurately, and with less mental fatigue. Or consider working in an office. Emails, notifications, meetings, and tasks competing for attention. Your brain trained on Stroop exercises can filter distractions. You stay on task, complete work efficiently, and reduce stress. Part 2 wrap-up. So far, we've covered Schulte table, improve scanning and processing speed, blindfold challenge, enhance memory and spatial awareness, non-dominant hand, boost brain flexibility and coordination, Stroop effect, build laser-like focus. Each of these exercises is short, simple, and highly effective. The key is consistency and small daily challenges. Even spending 5 minutes per exercise per day compounds into massive mental growth over weeks.
Real-life applications and daily integration, making the exercises part of your daily life. So far, we've learned 4 powerful brain exercises: Schulte table speed and focus, blindfold challenge, memory and awareness, non-dominant hand, brain flexibility and coordination, Stroop effect, laser focus. But here's the secret: knowing the exercises isn't enough. The real change happens when you consistently integrate them into your daily routine. Let's break down practical ways to make these exercises part of your life. Schulte table practical integration. Imagine this. You start your morning with a cup of coffee. Instead of scrolling on your phone endlessly, spend 5 minutes on a Schulte table. Tips for beginners: start with small grids, maybe 1/16 numbers, time yourself, and track improvement. Gradually increase to 25 numbers and eventually 50 numbers for higher challenge. Real-life application: when reading an article or studying, try to scan paragraphs faster, notice patterns, key points, and important words. Your brain will naturally start processing information faster and more efficiently. Even professionals can benefit. A programmer spotting errors in code faster, a gamer noticing enemies or patterns on the screen, an accountant reviewing numbers quickly. Blindfold challenge practical integration. The blindfold challenge is amazing for memory and mental mapping. Try these simple daily adaptations. Brush your teeth without looking, walk in a familiar room, without looking at the floor, type emails or texts, without looking at the keyboard. Why this works? Your brain starts building spatial awareness. You rely more on muscle memory, and mental maps your memory. Recall improves naturally. Advanced applications. Cooking without looking directly at ingredients, organizing your desk or workspace blindfolded, playing instruments, or practicing typing without sight. Fun tip: try blindfolding yourself while arranging objects on your desk and timing how fast you can do it. The goal isn't speed at first, it's building mental pathways and awareness. Non-dominant hand. Practical integration using your non-dominant hand is all about challenge and growth. Daily tasks you can try: brush your teeth or hair, use your mouse or smartphone, pour drinks or cook, write short notes or doodle. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Start with 5 minutes a day on small tasks. Gradually increase time and complexity. Track your coordination and comfort. Real-life benefits. Musicians strengthen both hands and fingers. Athletes improve agility and reflexes. Surgeons in training benefit from hand coordination even outside professional skills. It helps you multitask more efficiently, boost problem-solving abilities, strengthen mental flexibility. Think of your brain as building new highways every day. The harder the challenge, the more connections your brain forms, which improves overall performance. Stroop Effect. Practical integration. The Stroop Effect exercise is fantastic for attention and focus. Here's how to use it daily. Online apps or websites offer color word tests. Do it for 3-5 minutes a day. Increase speed gradually while maintaining accuracy. Real-life scenarios. Studying with distractions around, working in a noisy office environment, playing video games requiring quick decisions, driving in traffic and reacting to signals. Advanced techniques. Practice Stroop exercises while listening to music or podcasts. Combine with multitasking, such as sorting objects by color while reading instructions. Try timed challenges to push your brain's executive control. The result: your brain learns to ignore distractions, switch tasks quickly without losing focus, react faster and more accurately in daily life. Combining exercises for maximum impact. The real magic happens when you combine all 4 exercises over time. Here's a sample daily schedule. Morning, 5-10 minutes. Start with Schulte table to sharpen your processing speed. Afternoon, 2-5 minutes. Blindfold challenge during small tasks, brushing teeth, typing, drawing. Evening, 5-10 minutes. Non-dominant hand training, cooking, using phone or writing. Stroop Effect exercises for laser focus. Consistency is key. Even short daily sessions compound into massive mental improvement. Focus, memory, flexibility, and speed will all improve simultaneously. Tips to stay motivated. Track progress. Keep a journal of exercises and improvements. Challenge yourself. Increase complexity weekly. Make it fun. Gamify exercises with timers and scores. Pair with routine. Link exercises to existing habits like morning coffee or evening winding down. Stay consistent. Small daily effort beats occasional marathon sessions. Imagine this: after 1 month of consistent practice, you can memorize a list of 50 items without difficulty. Focus on reading or work tasks for longer periods. Use both hands effectively. Ignore distractions like never before. This is the power of training your brain like a muscle. Real-life examples of combined benefits. Students study faster, retain more information, and stay focused. Multitask without mental fatigue. Professionals process emails, reports, or data more efficiently. Solve problems faster and with more creativity. Athletes and gamers improve reflexes and coordination. Process visual cues faster and react immediately. Daily life. Cook, type, and complete daily tasks with less distraction and more efficiency. Remember locations, appointments, and details more accurately by consistently practicing. Your brain becomes more flexible, powerful, and capable of handling complex tasks effortlessly. Wrap up. Motivation and long-term strategy. Why training your brain matters by now. You've learned 4 powerful brain exercises: Schulte table, faster processing, and focus blindfold challenge. stronger memory and awareness, non-dominant hand better coordination and flexibility, Stroop effect, laser sharp focus. You might be thinking, okay, I understand the exercises, but why does this really matter in my life? Here's the truth. Your brain controls everything you do. Your decisions, your memory, your reactions, your focus, even your creativity. If your brain is strong, all these areas improve. If your brain is undertrained, even small tasks can feel overwhelming. Think of this. A strong, trained brain is like having a high-performance engine in a sports car. It allows you to process information faster, make better decisions, and adapt to challenges effortlessly. Daily routine for long-term results. Consistency is the most powerful factor for growth. Here's a sample daily routine to make your brain exercises part of your life. Morning, 10-15 minutes. Start with Schulte table for processing speed. Optional, quick Stroop exercises while drinking coffee. Afternoon, 5-10 minutes. Blindfold challenge for memory and spatial awareness. Small tasks, typing, drawing, arranging items without sight. Evening, 10-15 minutes. Non-dominant hand training during dinner, phone use, or note-taking. Stroop exercises to end the day with laser focus. Notice the pattern. Each exercise is short. Each targets a different aspect of your brain. The combination ensures overall cognitive improvement. Long-term strategy. Here's how to turn these exercises into lasting habits. Start small. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Track your progress. Journal improvements in speed, memory, and focus. Increase complexity. Gradually make tasks harder to challenge your brain. Combine exercises. Practice 2 or more exercises in a single session. Reflect weekly. Notice improvements in daily life, work, study, and creativity over time. Your brain will become faster. You'll process information with ease. Stronger tasks that used to feel hard will become simple. More flexible. Adapting to new challenges will feel natural. Highly focused distractions will affect you less. Motivation and mindset. Here's the mindset that separates those who improve from those who stagnate. Consistency over intensity. Short daily practice beats occasional long sessions. Challenge is growth. If it feels hard, your brain is building new pathways. Focus on process, not perfection. Mistakes mean your brain is learning. Patience is key. Visible results take time, but small improvements compound. Imagine your brain as a garden. If you water it a little every day, it grows strong roots, tall stems, and beautiful flowers. Ignore it, and weeds take over. Growth slows, and the garden struggles. Applying these exercises in real-life. Students improve memory for exams. Scan textbooks faster. Ignore distractions while studying. Professionals process emails and reports efficiently. Focus during meetings. Make decisions faster. Athletes and gamers react faster. Coordinate movements better. Analyze situations quicker. Daily life. Remember locations, appointments, and details. Focus on conversations or work without mental fatigue. Become mentally agile, creative, and confident. Keep it fun and engaging. The beauty of these exercises is that they don't feel like work. Turn Schulte tables into a timed challenge. Blindfold challenge can become a fun game at home. Non-dominant hand exercises create a novelty factor in daily tasks. Stroop effect can be a mini mental workout before work or study. When exercises feel enjoyable, you'll stick with them consistently, which is the ultimate key to brain growth. Final call to action. Here's what to do next. Pick one exercise to start today. Spend 5-10 minutes. Consistently track your progress in a journal. Gradually add more exercises. Commit to 30-35 minutes a day and watch your brain transform. Remember, the exercises are short, simple, and effective. The results, however, are life-changing. You'll notice better memory, faster thinking, stronger focus, more creativity, increased confidence in problem-solving. Your brain is a muscle, and now you have the tools to train it like an elite athlete. Closing thoughts. Imagine this 6 months from now. After practicing daily, you can process tasks effortlessly. You remember names, numbers, and facts easily. Your focus is unshakable even in chaotic environments. You handle complex challenges with calm and clarity, all this from short daily exercises. So don't wait. Start today. Train your brain, strengthen your mind, become faster, sharper, and unstoppable. Your brain is ready, are you?